Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Natara and this is the Johnson's Life. Happy Saturday, you guys. I went to Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, and where's that I go? Yeah, Family Dollar and Dollar Tree, and plus I went by Walgreens this morning to pick up my medication. I just want to show you guys a little bit of a haul that I did. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Natara and this is the Johnson's Life. Today is Saturday, October the 5th, and I want to show you guys what I picked up from Family Dollar and Dollar Tree. So I went to Family Dollar store. I picked up 3 of the Scott Comfort Plus toilet tissues, which were $5 a piece, as well as the Value Pack paper towels, which is $5 a piece. And then I picked up the Very Soft Clean Care body wash, which is a off-brand of the Ivory soap. That is all that I picked up from Family Dollar store, and I did use my $5 off coupon, which took $5 off if you spend $25. And also, you guys, from Dollar Tree, I picked up this cuticle oil. I picked up 3 things of toothpaste. I picked up my husband 3 of the Powerade, and I picked up 4 of the Fagos, the orange, the lemon lime, cotton candy, and grape. And down here on the floor, I do have the little bottles of water that will go upstairs in the small refrigerator. So yeah, you guys, this is what I picked up from Family Dollar store and Dollar Tree this morning. Don't mind me, I look a mess. In this video, I will be, getting my hair shampooed, conditioned, and all that, and then flat iron. But it may not be today because I do have to take the puppy to Petco to get groomed on today. So yeah, you guys, and plus I am also editing a video for you guys. So I just wanted to come on and start the vlog. Happy Saturday. There is Gucci down there asleep. He has to get groomed today, y'all. Okay, you guys, we are headed into Petco. Wait, Gucci. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. This way. This way. No. Gucci, come on. What you doing? Okay, you guys, happy Sunday. I like to start my day off with walking, you guys. I got this walking pad from Amazon. It is a Spirex walking pad. It goes up to 3.8 miles per hour. And you guys, this thing is a beast. I love it. It comes assembled and everything. All you have to do is take it out of the box, and it also comes with a little bit of maintenance oil that you will have to put up under the belt every so often, but I try to do it every day to keep the belt from messing up. But you guys, I have been had this walking pad for over a month, going on probably 2.5 months, and it is still going strong. If you would like to get you a walking pad, I will have the link in the bio. And yeah, you guys, it is very, very affordable. Okay, you guys, I'm just going to go ahead and begin to pick up around the house, straighten up a little bit. I'm going to get my walking pad up. I'm done exercising. I did do 30 minutes. And as you can see, it does have wheels, you guys. You don't have to just pick it up and carry it around. You can roll it to where you need it to be. So right here, I like to try to keep it behind the dog's toy box, so that I won't have to go all the way over to my closet or leave it in the middle of the floor. But you can also put it up under your bed, up under your couches, if your couches raises up out of the way. I can even slide it behind my couch if I wanted to, but I just like to keep it right there due to the fact that it's very easy accessible. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and just clear off the couches and straighten up the pillows and things like that. And then I will move into the kitchen and straighten up the kitchen. And you guys, I want to say thank you to my other subscribers that have came to join the channel. I have gained quite a few subscribers, you guys, since I've been back. And I'm so grateful and thankful. And also thank you to my returning subscribers for always coming back and support. Also, you guys, don't forget to go back and watch the last video. If you haven't watched it, I will have it linked up in the cards, you guys. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. I hope that you guys stick around to the end, and if you see something that you like, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.
Ooh, yeah. Like a sunrise horizon, always there, always shining, building me up with the song that's singing, filling my heart like I'm flying. You're always warm, always hold me, the biggest part of my story, healing my soul, help me feel completion, bringing my here to my glory. Yeah. It keeps pulling me back. It keeps pulling me back to you. It keeps pulling me back. Yeah. It keeps pulling me back to you. It keeps pulling me back. Yeah. It keeps pulling me back to you. It keeps pulling me back. It keeps pulling me back to you. Yeah. Never proud, never leaving. I won't ignore when I'm sinking. Can't let go even when I'm wandering. I won't give up on my journey. It won't forget any promise, but won't remember my failure. sunrise horizon. You're always there, always shining, building me up with the song it's singing.